Hi guys, how's it going? Back again with me, Willie Jordan, and today I'm so excited because I would like to give you some tutorial how to do a push up. The example like this video. Okay, have you ever done push up before? Not yet? Okay, let me know benefit of push up. For the first, push up can make your body more healthy. And the second, push up can make your chest and your leg more strong. Okay, so I will give you tutorial push up right now, but before that I wanna change my clothes. Let's go. Okay, here we go. So here we don't need any material or any tools because push up just need the flat floor for the push up. Okay, for the first, put your body into the floor and put your hands shoulders width apart. Okay, after that, straight on your foot like this and going down and going up, down, up. Okay, so if you wanna going down, just touch your chest into the floor, and if you want to going up, straight your hand into the maximum. Okay, like this. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you. See you next time. I hope you learned something.